Today's property tour, we're checking out Cove Avenue in Silver Lake, Los Angeles, California. Hi, I'm Victoria Munoz. I do virtual tours for buyers looking to move to Los Angeles. So today's property is the O'Neill Duplex. It's located at 2342 and 2344 Cove Avenue. Just walking distance to the Silver Lake Reservoir. Silver Lake is nicknamed the Brooklyn of Los Angeles. It's more than simply a hipster refuge. The popular central LA area has evolved from urban grit to sophisticated elegance over the years, and it's now home to celebrities, creatives, professionals, and a rising number of families. Silver Lake is diverse, eccentric, and most importantly, authentic. The Madishing Steps, also known as the Cove Avenue Stairway, is an outdoor staircase in Silver Lake, Los Angeles. It's dedicated to the Madishing Society in 2012 in memory of Harry Hay, who co-founded the gay rights group. Both units have undergone sensitive restoration work to retain its original integrity in design and materials. Sited up on a private driveway with 4 parking spaces, electrical vehicle charging station, and fully gated secure entry for residents. So as we walk by the first unit, that is actually not vacant, so the property will be sold with that unit, 2344, with tenants in place. So as soon as you walk in, you see the reservoir, and every single room has a view of the reservoir, which is amazing. Some of the upgrades and features recently done, for example, restored master bedroom closet doors, restored wood paneling, restored original wall sconces, restored light boxes in the kitchen and wet bar area. I believe this is the book of photography by Julius Schumann in 1954. But you are going to be amazed by the views in this unit. Both units are being sold together. The first unit, as I mentioned, is being sold with tenants, but this unit is vacant. So the projected market rate for this unit is $5,800. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, in case you're wondering what it would cost to rent it. It's 1,048 square feet of living space, and this unit comes with 2 assigned parking spots. Some more of the features and upgrades are new kitchen appliances, restored kitchen cabinetry, new sink, plumbing features, restore plumbing, water, gas, and vent for washer and dryer. Here's more photography. So I'm assuming this is the photography by Julius Schumann in 1954 of Duplex number 1 and Duplex number 2. So if you want more information on the other factors with this property, it is an historic cultural monument. The property was declared a historic cultural monument in 2007. Also, Mills Act contract for the property was established in 2007, is currently active, renews every 10 years, and perpetual according to the city. It's too bad we couldn't see the other unit. So only one unit is available to show. The other unit is tenant occupied. This listed at $2,480,000. In total, it's 4 bedrooms. In total, it's 4 bathrooms. Total amount of square footage is 2,169 square feet of living space. So price per square foot, it's $1,143. The lot size is 7,484 square feet. And again, there's 4 parking spaces, and it's only been on the market for 13 days. And again, it's listed at $2,480,000. If you need more information on the listing and the tax savings information and other information regarding the architect and the historic cultural monument information, the listing agent are from Compass Hollywood, so the description of the listing will be in today's video. Thanks for watching. This is my YouTube channel, Living in Northeast LA. I'm Compass real estate agent Victoria Munoz. If you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, you can always connect with me here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the next video.
See if it's nearby.